Hi everyone, this is Edmund with a quick tutorial on how to use the Duplicator plugin to backup your website and transfer it to another hosting account or domain name. If you have any questions, you can contact me at edmund@iamlicious.com. As this video is quite long, I've broken it down to various sections in the video description below. Therefore, you can view the section that's of interest to you by clicking on the timing. There are 6 steps that we need to follow to complete this entire process. Number 1, we're going to install the Duplicator plugin. Number 2, we're going to create the backup and installer files. So you should stop here if you're just creating a backup for your website. And number 3 is to change the name servers for the domain. Number 4 is to create a database for the domain in the new hosting account. Number 5 is to transfer the backup and installer files to the hosting account via FTP. You can use FileZilla, just Google it online to install it. And then number 6 is to install the website with the installer file. In this example, I'm going to use one of my old websites called Untitled.chapter. I'm going to log into the WordPress admin area to install the Duplicator plugin. You just add in the wp-admin at the end of your domain, enter a password followed by username to log into the WordPress admin area. So pardon me, I have to update all my plugins and the database first. Make sure all your plugins and WordPress version are all up to date before you actually install the Duplicator plugin to create backups. So this is very important. This is what I'm going to do now. Update all my plugins, update your themes as well. And finally, update your WordPress version. So all these steps are very important to ensure that your backup and installer files are working fine. So next, I'll go to plugins. Click on add new. You have to update my WordPress database first. So under the search plugins field, you want to type in Duplicator, hit enter on your keyboard. This is the plugin that we want to install, Duplicator. Just click on install now, click on activate plugin, and you are done, guys. So apparently I still have some updates that I need to update. So I'll update these plugins first before I actually proceed on to create the installer and backup files. So you'll see that there's a 0 here just now. That means that no updates required. The next thing you want to do is to look for this Duplicator plugin. Click on packages, click on create new. So the rest you can just leave it as it is. Just click on next. Okay, the warning is not really that important. Just click on build. Now it's building the backup folder for your website files. The next thing you want to do is to download the installer file and also download the archive. After you have finished downloading these 2 files, the next thing you want to do is to log into your domain registration panel. In this case, I'm using Namecheap. So I've already logged into my account. Click on view. I'm going to look for my domain now. Click on filter and type in Unitas. Click on go. So this is my domain name. I'll click on the domain name. Click on domain name server setup. Here I'll change my name servers. So after I've changed my name servers, I'll click on save changes. So you'll see that the name servers provided were successfully updated. After you have updated your name server, the next thing you want to do is to log into your new hosting account. Note that the same procedure applies if you are changing the website to another domain. Just look for the new domain and then change the name servers accordingly. I've already logged into my Tiger Tech hosting account by Tiger Technologies. Now I'll create a new database for this website. Go to my SQL databases, click on add database. Here you can choose a database name. I'll just leave it as the Another's Guide, and then I'm going to enter a password for this database. Once I'm done, I'll click on save. So these are the details that you can use to connect to the new website with all the database name and the host name and my SQL version and so on and so forth. Next, I'll log into the FileZilla account. So here under the host and username and password, all these details can be taken from your web hosting account. So I'm going to enter mine. So once I'm done, I'll click on quick connect. I've already successfully logged into my FTP account for this tinadasguide.org. So now I'll look for my files to be uploaded into the website itself under the new hosting account. So you want to download this zip file. So this belongs to my website. I'll click on upload. And the next thing I'll look for this file is installer.php. Right click, click on upload. So you see that the files are successfully transferred. Make sure that there's no failed transfer here. There's nothing here. That means that the files have been properly transferred. So next I'll disconnect and close FileZilla. I'll type in tinadasguide.org/installer.php to access the installer file. Okay, it says page not found. Typically, you'll require at least 1 to 2 hours, or sometimes may take half a day for the domain to point to the new name servers, so you got to be patient with it. After the name servers of my domain have been successfully pointed to the new web host, I will visit this URL, my domain, /installer.php, and I'll be brought to this page, also called the Duplicator installer. So now I'm going to show you how to use WordPress Duplicator to install your new website on a new web host or on a new domain. So to do that, you have to enter in your database name and your username as well. After you have entered the database name and the database username, you have to enter a password as well. After everything is done, simply click on this test connection. So it says that success. And for this option, you want to select create new database. So once everything is done, you can simply check this box here. I have read all warnings and notices. Click on run deployment. Click on OK. It's processing the files in database now, and it may take several minutes. So after they have processed the files in database, they will show you the new settings for your website according to your web host. All these are normally leave it as it is. And if you go to the advanced options, you can either choose to activate all plugins or you don't want to activate any plugins. So if you're having issues installing your website on a new domain or on a new web host, right, you may want to deactivate all your plugins first before you proceed to install it on the new domain or web host. So this will save you a lot of trouble. But in this case, I'm just going to click on run update. So you'll see that I have one warning here. If you click on the install report, it says there's one general warning here, something to do with the WP config file. So I'm going to click on test site. You'll see that my website has been successfully installed. And to confirm that, I'm going to log into my WP-admin area, see whether everything is working fine. Same thing here, enter your username and your password. After you're done, click on login. So I'm able to log into my WordPress dashboard admin area. The next thing I'll do is to click on save permalinks. So you want to make sure that your permalink setting is correct. In this case, I'm just using post name. So it's correct. I'll click on save changes. And the next thing I'll do is to click on file cleanup. Click on OK. This will clean up all the installer files that you have on your domain itself. And the next thing I like to do is to clear build cache. Click on OK. And also delete legacy data. These two steps are optional, but I prefer to do it. Alright guys, so that's basically how you transfer your website to a new domain or web host by using the WordPress Duplicator plugin. It's very easy to use, isn't it? It really saves you a lot of headache. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. If you have any questions regarding this plugin, feel free to email me at edmund@ironlicious.com and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you for listening and goodbye. See ya!